Hello again, and welcome to Chef on a Boat, where I'll show you how to create large flavors in small spaces. Today I want to show you how to create one of my favorite dishes, miso marinated salmon. Having spent many years growing up in British Columbia, salmon was inexpensive and found fresh nearly everywhere. A miso marinade is a classic Japanese way of preparing seafood and very easy to make. It is essentially 1 part sake, 1 part mirin, 2 parts white or yellow miso, and a little sugar. At one dinner party I held, I was very happy to hear the guests say that my miso salmon was the best salmon they had ever had. And these guests were foodies who dined out a lot in New York City, including the famous Nobu. You can't go wrong with this classic Japanese method. A quick note on the sake to use. An inexpensive bottle is fine. I got this one at a local wine shop for just $6. Until next time, bon appetit.